Hi there, this is Erin Goad with DVHS Techno, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to set up a Google Classroom for teachers. I would recommend that you use a Chrome browser to do this, and I would also recommend that you go ahead and log into your DVHS Google account. If you do not remember your password or are having access issues, please feel free to reach out to myself, Amy Gonzalez, or Dan Wheeler. We are located in the Learning Commons. You can stop by, you can email us, or you can give us a call at 3280. If you are logging into Classroom, your dashboard is going to look a bit different the first time, so I'm going to walk you through that since I'm already logged in through my testing account. To get to Classroom, all you have to do in your browser bar is type in Classroom, and it will populate at google.com. And it will bring you to Google Classroom. Again, if you're logging in for the first time, it's going to look a little different. On the left side of your screen, you should see down here, it should say Welcome to Classroom, and you will see your Google account information, and so just verify, yes, that is me. And then on the right, it will say I am a, and it will give you two options, student or teacher, and you're going to want to click teacher. It will then take you to another page that looks quite similar to this. You will see this taskbar at the top, and your screen will probably have a chalkboard on it. And then you will also have this plus sign in the top right corner, and it will say join a class or create a class. It'll have a little arrow pointing to it. So if you click on that plus sign, you're going to want to click create a class because you're a teacher. If you're watching this video because you're setting up a DAEP class, I would recommend that you use the same naming convention that has been recommended in the email sent out by Ms. Wood. So I'm going to name this DAEP World History because that's what I teach. You could name this, if it was for a regular class, you could name it World History, English 2, whatever you want to name it. And then the section, again, if you're doing this for DAEP, will be DAEP. Or if you were doing it for your regular sections, you could name it first period, second period, third period. I would recommend setting up a class for every period that you have. But since this is for a specific population of students, we're going to follow this naming convention and click Create. Okay, so I have my class here. I will follow up with additional tutorials on how to add students and how to add assignments, but quickly, what information you need to get your students into your classroom, most importantly, is this class code right here. And let me make my screen a little bigger. If you give them this code, which is a collection of letters, they can then type that in and enter your class. Also up here, just some quick good to know, select theme. This is where you can change the picture that will be on your classroom. Here's a gallery. There's also patterns that you can select. So if you select one, just select class theme and you'll see it change the colors to that. So that's essentially how you set up your classroom. Again, stay tuned for more information on how to add your students, how to add and grade assignments as well.